Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to change file names for the CUET exam. Getting your document names right is super important for a smooth application process. Many applicants face issues because of incorrect file naming, which can unfortunately lead to their submissions being rejected. By following a few simple steps, you can easily avoid these common errors and ensure your documents are accepted without any hitches. Let's get started and make sure your application is perfect. Renaming a file on your computer is quite straightforward. First, navigate to the folder where your document is saved. Once you've found the file you need to rename, simply right-click on it. A menu will appear and you'll want to select the Rename option. Then, carefully type in the new file name according to the CUET guidelines. After typing, just press the Enter key and your file will be updated with its new name. When renaming your files for CUET, adhering to specific conventions is crucial. A good practice is to use a clear, descriptive format, such as your name admit card or your name photograph. It's very important to avoid using any special characters, spaces, or symbols like asterisks or ampersands, as these can cause upload errors. Also, try to keep your file names concise, ideally under 25 characters, for better compatibility across systems. This ensures your files are easily processed. Before you upload your documents, always perform a final check. Carefully review each renamed file to ensure it matches the required naming convention exactly. Also, pay close attention to file size. Many applications require documents to be between 50 kilobytes and 300 kilobytes. Confirm that your files are in the correct format, typically JPEG for images and PDF for documents. Taking these extra few moments will help guarantee a smooth and successful CUET application submission.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.